Do you believe in racial quotas?
Senator, if I were faced with a question regarding racial quotas, I would carefully consider the binding Supreme Court precedent and Third Circuit precedent.
Yes, ma'am, excuse me if interrupting, but that's not what I'm asking. Let me stipulate that you will follow. I'll stipulate this for all my questions to each of you, that you will follow precedent. What I'm asking is about your beliefs. Do you believe in racial quotas?
Sir, if I were faced with that question, I believe the Supreme Court has ruled that in the context, for instance...
I know what the court's ruled. We both do. I'm just asking your personal beliefs. Do you believe in racial quotas?
Sir, I want to be very careful since I am a judicial nominee. I certainly wouldn't want to say something that would forecast for any future litigant how they thought I would rule.
I don't see the problem in you telling us your beliefs. I'm going to ask you one more time. Do you believe in racial quotas?
I'm sorry, Senator. Again, because I am a judicial nominee,
You're not going to answer them?
It would not be prudent for me
You're not going to
to
answer me? Okay.
offer an opinion on.
All right. Do you believe, once again, I'll stipulate that you're going to follow precedent. Do you believe that abortion is an issue that should be decided by the states?
In the recent ruling in Dobbs, the Supreme Court did say that the question of abortion has been returned to the people and their elected
Yes, ma'am.
representatives.
But I know, and I'll stipulate that you'll follow Dobbs. But do you believe that abortion is an issue that should be decided by the states? I'm trying to understand what you believe.
Well, certainly under Dobbs, returning that issue to the people and their elected representatives does put it within the realm of the states.
Okay. Do you believe that that's the right decision?
Senator, I would not hesitate to apply Dobbs if I were faced with that.
Once again, maybe I'm not being clear. I'm sorry. I'm asking what you believe. Do you believe that abortion should be decided by the states as opposed to the federal government?
Senator, again, because I am a judicial nominee,
You're not going to answer?
I don't believe it would be prudent to offer an opinion that would allow future litigants to think they could forecast.
Do you believe that prosecutors should take it upon themselves to decide not to prosecute an entire class of crimes, even though that the legislative body in that particular instance has designated the behavior as a crime?
Well, in my approximately or almost 2 decades as a prosecutor and now as United States Attorney, I have not found occasion to completely rule out
I'm asking
a
what
line
you
of
believe,
prosecution.
Counselor. I'm asking what you believe.
Well, as a prosecutor and as a United States Attorney, I believe that each investigation and matter should
Yes,
be
ma'am, but do you
determined.
believe a prosecutor should decide we both know what we're talking about. Do you believe that a prosecutor should take it upon themselves or himself or herself to say, I don't care what the legislature says, I'm not going to prosecute any shoplifting of stealing of any goods if it's less than $950. Do you agree with that or not?
Well, I would hope that my record as a prosecutor and United States Attorney speaks to that question. I have not found occasion
I'm giving
to
you a
do that.
chance right now to speak to it. Tell me what you believe. Do you believe, I just gave you the example, do you believe that's a good thing or a bad thing?
I have not found occasion to rule out an entire line of prosecution.
Okay, but if someone did, do you agree with it or disagree with it? I don't think I'm being obtuse here. Just answer my question if you would. If you're not, just tell me so I can move to the judge.
Senator, I have not found a reason to do that in my own practice. I have only considered...
Is that because you disagree with it?
Well, I have found that whether or not something reaches a federal interest for prosecution is something that has to be determined
All right.
on an
I
individual
understand.
case.
You're not going to answer me, and I really regret that. Let me ask you, Judge, in the time I have left, you wrote a report along with your colleagues regarding the bar admission in Delaware, and you said, quote, the bar exam likely serves as a barrier to the racial and ethnic diversity of attorneys in Delaware. Did you say that?
No, Senator. Thank you for the question, Senator. No, my colleagues and I did not write that report. That is a report that was written and delivered to the Supreme Court.
Did you vote on the report?
No, I did not vote on the report.
Do you disagree with that statement?
Will you read the statement again, Senator?
Sure. Quote, the bar exam likely serves as a barrier to the racial and ethnic diversity of attorneys in Delaware.
Thank you for reading the quote again.
You're welcome.
I believe that that's a question that needs to be analyzed and studied, and I have not studied.
You were chairman of the committee, and your staff wrote this report.
So it was, if I may explain, it was.
But I don't have much time.
Well, it was not my staff, so no,
Okay.
I wouldn't say my staff wrote that report.
Fair enough, Judge. Do you agree, quote, that the Delaware bar exam serves as a barrier to the racial and ethnic diversity of attorneys in Delaware?
Senator, I believe that that is a complicated, complex question that requires analysis that I have not done.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. And while you're at it, please leave us a comment. Thank you for watching.